Good morning, subscribers. Today I'm working with the herb Lemon Balm. I have about a 3-foot tall, maybe 3-foot wide lemon balm plant that's growing in my herb garden, and it's ready to be cut back. I have a lot of positive uses for it that I want to work on this weekend. First things first, you'll see in the video here I've cut that lemon balm plant back. I don't know, I probably cut anywhere from I'd say 6 to 8 inches off of the top of the limbs, and I want to dehydrate some of these. The plan is it takes me about 3 dehydration trays to fill a quart jar, so that's what I did. I cut enough off of my lemon balm plant to fill these 3 trays. So I'm going to dehydrate those, and then I'm gonna slip them off of the dried stem of the plant, and I'm gonna jar them in a jar. Now, lemon balm pairs really well with mint leaves. The combination of the two together, they seem to just go together. So I'll use that a lot of times if I'm drinking tea. Now, most of the time, lemon balm mostly, you use the fresh leaves in tea, but you can use dry leaves. And I have dried these in the dehydrator because I'm actually going to use it for several different things, and I will use the dry or the fresh in my tea, both. So here we go. I'm going to show you how fast and easy it is to do this. Now I'm going to pack it in tight. Do you see how I just hold on to the hardwoody stem and then just pull through, and it just rips it right off? See, watch. To me, it's a lot easier if you dehydrate the limbs and pull it off like this than it is to, when you cut it, just pull leaf off and then just dehydrate the leaves. It's faster to me. You can actually hear how crisp they are, so you know they're definitely dry. This is real relaxing to do. Oh, and I don't think I mentioned, I dehydrated these for about 24 hours straight on the herb setting. Look at there, guys. I have a whole jar full now, and it's packed full. And it didn't take no time to do. Well, let's talk about the tea now. Lemon balm tea is considered medicinal. It helps emotional issues. It's actually used as a mild sedative if you use it in small doses. And it's used to calm anxiety, but at the same time it's calming. It's also uplifting. And if you're using the oil is used a lot in cases of emotional, more things like shock, anger, grief, fear. The oil is used a lot for that, where the tea is used a lot for the mood part. You can also have lemon balm supplements. You can make your own supplements. I enjoy making my own supplements. You can buy the little blank capsules, and you can dry like I'm drying today. That's one of the projects I'm going to be doing this weekend. Is I'm going to crush this half of the lemon balm that I've dried in the dehydrator. I'm going to crush it up really, really, really fine, and I'll be putting it in my own capsules. But it's kind of similar to lavender. It has a soothing as well as an antiseptic quality to it. So you can take it in a capsule. It's really nice in aromatherapy. I love it in aromatherapy. And guys, all that, it's all scientifically proven. The herb is instrumental in helping the nervous system to relax. Okay, but yeah, guys, I use it for aromatherapy. I drink it as a relaxing tea. I make my own dried supplements with it, and it's great for desserts. Excuse me. I use it just like you use it mint, right? And it's great on fish too, guys. Alright, well, that's the video that I had for you today. I'm working on Lemon Balm as my project for the weekend, and I'll let you guys know how all my projects turn out in future videos probably. But you guys need to try this lemon scent if you've never tried it before. Try this lemon flavor. It's great in tea if you like lemon in tea. This gives you the hint of lemon, and it's medicinal and helpful for you. Makes you relax. But I think you'll enjoy it. I enjoy it greatly. We're at the end of the video now, so any kind of extra information that I have for you, I'll be putting it in the description, alright? So guys, enjoy your weekend, and we will catch you on the next video, and happy holidays.